Hi everyone, welcome back to Arogya Physiotips. I am Dr. Anamika, and if you have seen our previous video regarding the stretches for SI joint, and if your pain has come down, let us progress to the strengthening exercises. And if the pain has not come down, keep the ice pack for 10 minutes, and if you are okay, then we can proceed with the strengthening exercises. Let us do the strengthening exercises. The first strengthening exercise is called bridging. Lie down on your back, knees bent, hands at the side, and lift your hips and hold for 5 seconds and relax. And repeat it as much as you can. And once you are comfortable with this, you can progress with weights. You can start with a half kg weight and lift. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. Now the next strengthening exercise is called a clamshell exercise. You need to lie down and with the knees bent and lift as much as you can. Hold for 5 seconds and come back. And again, once you are comfortable with this, you can progress with the weights. You can use either a dumbbell or a weight cuff, and again lift it up, hold for 5 seconds and come back. The next strengthening exercise is alternate arm and leg lifting. You can start by lifting just one leg. Lift just little bit so that the arch doesn't come. If it comes, it will produce pain. So just little bit, you can feel here that the muscles are working. Then once you are comfortable with this, you can progress by moving your arms forward and lift one hand and the alternate leg. Hold for 5 seconds and come back, and you can repeat on the other side. The next exercise, strengthening exercise, is called the heel prop. Bend your knee 90 degrees with the foot facing towards the ceiling. Then try to lift your knee as much as you can and come down. Again and come down. And repeat as much as you can. Now the next strengthening exercise is hip adduction. You need to bend both knees 90 degrees, and you can keep either a pillow or a rubber ball, and you can squeeze, hold for 5 seconds and relax. Again, squeeze and relax. Now the next strengthening exercise is the hip abduction. You can tie a resistance band around your knee and try to take as far as you can your knees and come back. Again, repeat and come back. Please do like, subscribe and share our videos, and also do comment and witness your fitness with us.